You drive your car every single day. You think you know how it works. But what if I told you that you've been using basic features in your own car completely wrong this whole time? Features that could literally save your life, save your engine, or just save you thousands of dollars. Welcome back to iDrive. Today, we are unlocking 5 secret car features hidden in plain sight that 90% of drivers have no clue about. Number 1. This tiny button with a car and a curved arrow. Most people just press it when it gets hot and forget it exists. Big mistake. If you leave this on during winter or rainy days, you're trapping moisture inside. That causes your windows to fog up insanely fast and creates a breeding ground for nasty mold inside your air vents. Only turn it on in summer to cool the cabin fast or when behind a smelly truck. Turn it off when it's cold or raining to keep your air fresh and windows crystal clear. Number 2. The electronic parking brake button. You think it's just for parking? Think again. What happens if your main brakes completely fail at 100 kilometers per hour? Don't panic. If you pull and hold this switch while moving, the car's computer takes over emergency braking, using ABS to bring you to a safe, controlled stop without spinning out. It's an ultimate secret safety measure most owners never read in the manual. Number 3. The gas station embarrassment solver. We've all rented a car or driven a friend's ride, pulled up to the pump, and realized the tank is on the other side. Stop guessing. Look at your fuel gauge right now. See that tiny arrow next to the gas pump icon? It points directly to the side your gas door is on. Every single modern car has this. And when you unscrew your cap, don't let it dangle and scratch your beautiful paint. Look closely at your fuel door. There is a built-in holder designed specifically to hook your cap into. Number 4. Your key fob is hiding a superpower. On a scorching summer day, walking into a hot car feels like stepping into an oven. Before you even touch the door handle, press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for 5 seconds. On almost all modern cars, every single window will roll down automatically to let the heat escape before you get in. And if your key fob battery dies, look for a hidden mechanical key tucked inside the fob, and search for a secret slot under a removable plastic cover on your driver's door handle. Number 5. Blinding headlights behind you at night. If you don't have auto-dimming mirrors, stop blinding yourself. That little plastic tab underneath your center rearview mirror isn't a toy. Flip it forward and it immediately angles the glass so light bounces away from your eyes while still letting you see the road behind you. Bonus secret. Locked your keys in the trunk? Check inside your glove box. Many cars have a hidden valet switch that completely disables the trunk button for extra security. How many of these 5 features did you actually know? Tell me down in the comments below. If you learned something new today, crush that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with a driver who definitely needs it. This is iDrive. Drive smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.